Welcome back to Roll for Creamy.
First, rolling for base. 1. Soy milk. Yay, I love me some edamame milk. Next up, roll for flavor. What's it gonna be? 5. Pistachio. Honestly, this has been a staple for a lot of the creamy recipes that I've used. It also adds a beautiful color. Nice and artificial. Roll for fruit. 4. Banana. Banana is also another staple ingredient. It adds a great creamy texture. Last up, roll for wild magic. 19. Greens powder. This greens powder is artificially sweetened, so there's a lot of things that are sweet in this mix. Slap a lid on it and throw it into the freezer for 24 hours. And then throw this bad boy for a spin. The greens powder mixed with the pistachio pudding mix made this beautiful sage green color.
Taste test. Ugh. It's like artificially sweet. Like a 4.2 out of 10.